There comes the next question. A discrete time signal x of n equal to sine pi square n, where n being an integer is. Option A is periodic with period pi. Option B is periodic with period pi square. And C is periodic with period pi by 2. And D, the signal is not periodic. So in this question also, I got to give you a thumb rule where for a signal x of n equal to sine omega n, right, sine omega n, this signal turns out to be periodic only if its time period, fundamental time period, is equal to a ratio of integers. Or in other words, this is a rational number. Only if its time period is a rational number, rational number, or is a ratio of integers, then it turns out to be periodic. So in this question we are asked to check x of n equal to sine pi square n. Comparing these two signals, we can definitely write omega equal to, or angular frequency equal to, pi square. Therefore, from angular frequency we can find out time period by the relation 2 pi by omega. Okay, that is equal to 2 pi by pi square, that is equal to 2 by pi. So this ratio n is not a ratio of integers, or it is not a rational number, and hence the answer is x of n is not periodic. Okay, it is not periodic. So this is a very simple and straightforward question. So the answer turns out to be D.